Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I'm sounding a little crazy. I am currently recovering from being sick. Today I'm starting off with my Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette. I'm using the shade, or the highlighting shade, I believe it's called Alligator Wings. Then I'm going in with my Urban Decay Afterglow blush in the shade Fetish. Also using my Spectrum Collection brush, which I love so much. Next I'm using my Morphe 12P palette. And I'm using this light green shade and going in all over my lid. I'm not really going below my crease, but I'm just going all around. It's basically a transition shade for the darker green that I'm about to use. Also, this brush that I'm using is from Sedona Lace. I'm not sure exactly what style it is, but it's just a fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm going to take this dark green shade from the same palette and I'm just going to rub it all over my lid with my finger. I know it looks a little messy now, but I'm going to blend it out in a minute. I just find this is the best way to pack on pigment, in my opinion. Then I'm just going to take a different brush and just kind of blend it onto the bottom lower lash line. Then I'm going to go back in with that lighter green shade and just keep blending. Seriously guys, you cannot overblend. Just keep doing it. Then I'm going to take this black shade with this small detail brush and I'm just going to go in right close to my lash line and darken it up a bit. This just gives it more dimension. The darker you get, the closer to your lashes. And I'm just going to darken up my lash line a bit so when I put on my lashes, you won't see the green underneath. That's me. Then I'm going to take my Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner. Yeah, I said lip liner. I like to use this. It literally doesn't budge. It just makes your eyes pop in your waterline, and I do it right under my lashes. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Adhesive, and I'm packing it on just the center of my lid, right up to about my crease with this brush, and then I'm going to pack on this glitter with my finger. I believe this glitter is from Bulk Glitters or Super Glitters. It's a cosmetic glitter website where you can get a ton of bulk glitters for really cheap. It's pretty cool. Then I'm just gonna go down and do some glitter tears. Going in with my handy dandy Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Gonna do the top and bottom lashes. Next I'm going in with these So Wispy Lashes by Kiss. Just gonna put them on. I'm gonna use my lovely tweezers to assist me. These are honestly my favorite lashes I've ever worn, ever. They're so comfortable and they just honestly glam up a look instantly. Next, I'm going in with this lip liner. I believe it's by the brand Jordana. I got it at Walgreens, but I'm just gonna line my lips with this before I go with my lipstick. Again, I'm sorry about how crazy I sound. I know. I've been sick for like literally all week. And I'm also sorry that this video took a million years to get up. Yeah, that's my bad. But it's here, you know? At least it's here. Then I'm going in with my NYX Cosmetics matte lipstick. Obviously this one has been loved and worn. So the label is barely there. I'm not sure exactly what shade it is, but it's a beautiful red shade. I think I need to buy a new one because it's pretty rough. And then I'm going in with this red glitter from the same glitter brand, and I'm just going to pat it on with my finger. Then lastly, I'm going to set my face with my NYX Cosmetics setting spray. Alright you guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.